Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are doing well in this fourth wave of COVID-19 pandemic situation. Today I am here to talk about 10 most common type of multiple choice questions in surgery which are asked in each and every kind of exam, whether it is undergraduate exam, NEET, PG, FCPS, USMLE, etc. So let's start. The first multiple choice question of today's session is most common testicular tumor in infancy is. Options are A. Teratoma, B. Yolk-sac tumor, C. Seminoma, D. Testicular lymphoma. The correct option is B. Yolk-sac tumor. Let me take you to the second question. Most common testicular tumor in the pre-pubertal age is. Options are the same which I mentioned in question 1. So the correct answer for question 2 is option A, which is teratoma. Next question. Most common testicular tumor in adults from second decade to fifth decade. Options are again the same. Here the correct answer is option C, seminoma. Moving on to the next question. Most common testicular tumor in old age more than 60. Options are again the same. So the correct answer here is option D, which is testicular lymphoma. Now, let me take you to the next question. So, question number 5 asks about shock. What is most common type of shock? Options are A. Cardiogenic shock, B. Septic shock, C. Hypovolemic shock, D. Neurogenic shock. The correct answer is option C, which is hypovolemic shock. Okay, moving on to question number 6. A question comes like, what is most common type of shock in surgical patient? And the options are same like question number 5. And the correct answer is C, septic shock. Most common type of shock in surgical patient is septic shock. Moving on to the next question. Most common tumor of salivary gland is A. Mucoepidermoid carcinoma, B. Pleomorphic adenoma, C. Adenocarcinoma, and D. Wharton's tumor. What is the correct answer for question 7? So the answer here is B, which is pleomorphic adenoma. It is the most common tumor of salivary gland. Now, if question is, what is most common malignant tumor of salivary gland? And the options remain same. Then the correct answer will be option A, which is mucoepidermoid carcinoma. It is the most common malignant tumor of salivary gland. Okay, moving on to the next question. What is the most common type of aneurysm? Options here are A. Abdominal aortic aneurysm, B. Intracranial aneurysm. C. Splenic aneurysm. D. Popliteal aneurysm. What is the correct option? Okay. The correct option for this question is option B. Intracranial aneurysm, which is berry aneurysm, is the secular type. It is most common type of aneurysm. Okay, now the last question of today's short session is, what is the most common extracranial aneurysm? Options are same as of question 9. So the correct answer for question 10 is option A, abdominal aortic aneurysm, which is in fact infrarenal abdominal aortic aneurysm. I hope you all have learned